Hey guys, it's Mike.
Holly.
And Chelsea.
And we've got a game today called Pete the Cat, the Missing Cupcakes game.
Yes.
So we do need to thank Briarpatch for sending this to us.
Thank you.
Thank you. So we've got, here, you want to open the cupcakes now?
She's been
I
asking
just took
and
out my
asking.
ring because I don't want to cut
Oh,
my
that's
open
a
the
big
cupcakes.
board.
Wow, that is really big. It's so colorful. So cute.
So we've got our board. We've got some cupcakes.
Some cupcakes that Chelsea's
We have
gonna
red, blue, and chocolate, which Daddy
Chocolate?
loves chocolate.
chocolate. We have the instructions and the grumpy toad inside. So this is also going to be part of the game.
Our player pieces, which need to be popped out.
There.
We have playing cards. It sounds like we're going to be doing some, maybe
Also,
some
Daddy
charades
breaks
type things.
Also, Daddy breaks.
No. He's going to cut open the cards. These are like the instruction cards that tell us different things that we have to do. And we have to basically
There's a
collect.
chocolate.
We have to basically collect all the cupcakes from Grumpy Toad, and then we win the game. You ready to collect some?
Grumpy Toad. Okay,
some
so who are you going to
cupcakes?
be?
I want to be a turtle.
Mommy?
Squirrel.
Oh, you're cool. You got the glasses.
Oh no!
What are
I'm
you?
gonna be the cool or if you want to be the squirrel, I'll be the alligator.
What is he?
I don't know.
I'll be him. I don't
Platypus?
know. I don't know what he is.
I think he's a platypus.
I think he's duck.
Because look at his tail.
He's
His
the
tail
duck.
and his like beak thing look like a platypus to me. So, where's the little discs that they go on, Chelsea?
Right here.
Aha.
I want to be a red.
I'm going to be blue.
Green. Okay, so we get to pick a home square. There's 4 different home squares on the board in the corners. You can pick any one that you want. I'll do green because it's my favorite color and I'm green and it's right here. So
I
what
guess
do you want to...
I'll be the orange way over there.
Oh, so that she can be on the blue?
Yep.
Where's the red?
Red's way over there.
There's
Well,
a
to
pink one all the
reach
way
it.
over here.
Yeah.
This is probably
I have
easier.
blue.
All right, so the cupcakes need to go in here.
Blues.
I want to put them on the squares.
Those are circles.
Put them on the squares. I tell my 4-year-old, she corrects me.
Okay, so we're all set up and ready to play. I guess
Youngest player
gets
goes
to go
first.
So
Yeah.
you get to
Just me.
spin.
And actually, Daddy.
Spin it.
Spin.
Spin once. Okay.
There you
3.
go. 3.
What-
Move your turtle this way. So
Do
1,
you?
2,
Or can you
3.
move anyway?
You go clockwise.
Okay.
Yes. 1, 2, 3. Pick a present card, and it's going to be like charades. So Chelsea's going to have to act it out. I'll help her, and then we'll try to get you to guess. Does
Okay.
that sound okay? Because
Sure.
Chelsea will need help with this. Go ahead, act it out. Should Mommy do it?
Yeah.
Ribbit.
Grumpy Toad.
Yes. Okay, you get to take 2 cupcakes and put them on Pete's table. That's good.
2 cupcakes.
Yeah. Get 2 cupcakes. Because we were successful.
2 blue ones.
2 blue ones and put them anywhere on the table. Good job. I guess I'll go next since I'm the next youngest. 2. 1, 2. The animal space. So I have to name an animal and its sound. So pig. I was successful.
You're successful.
So I get to take 1. Is it 1 cupcake? Yeah. 1 cupcake. Here we go.
1 present. Tweet, 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 tweet.
It's a bird.
Yep.
I guessed it.
There's your cupcake, Daddy. We're doing good.
Okay, Chelsea.
Oh, I got it.
4.
4.
Gotta go that way.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, present card.
Okay, we'll act out another one. This is what you gotta act out for Daddy.
Boom, 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 boom.
Drums?
Yeah.
Oh, well, Mommy,
Drums.
you're holding it right there.
I was holding
You're
it
holding
this
it right
way.
at me. But I
was
guessed
holding
it
this
before,
way.
the split second before I
You
looked
did.
up. Okay, pick a cupcake. Oh, wait, 2
2.
cupcakes.
You get 2 cupcakes.
I think I'm going to pick this one and this one.
Okay.
I'm going to put this one right here and this one right on the frog.
All right. 2. 1, 2. I get to name a yummy food. Pizza. So now if somebody else lands on that one, they can't say pizza. They have to say something else. So.
Okay, cupcake.
Oh, wait, what?
You got it right. You get
I got it right.
Cupcake. 2, 1, 2.
Sing a song.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Because
No.
that's the one you gave as an example.
Sing it.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Taking my cupcake.
You have to sing it, not just
Okay,
say
Jules.
it.
That really gets me.
2.
2.
You're up there.
Can you reach?
1, 2.
Nope, that counts
You
as 1.
skipped over home. So land on the green present.
1,
Right here.
1, 2.
Okay.
Well, you're getting all the presents, Chelsea.
Go ahead.
I don't know what the sound of the ladder is.
You're not supposed to say what it is.
You
though.
act it.
Act it out.
What do you do when you do it in real life?
I don't know.
Okay, let's try another one.
I heard ladder anyway.
She said it. She's like, oh, you get to act like that.
Meow, meow.
Kitty. Cat.
Yeah, you're right.
It's actually Pete the cat, but like I don't know
Oh.
how. I don't know how you would like.
Pete the cat.
All right, 2 cupcakes, miss.
I'm gonna pick this one and this one.
Good job.
This one and this one.
Very particular.
That.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The animal one again. What did I say last time? Pig.
I don't know.
Dog. Woof woof.
Run!
3, 1, 2, 3.
Apple.
So it's any letter, any apple, or any apple.
Any yummy food. Just
Any,
name a yummy food.
P for popcorn.
You don't have to say the P for popcorn. It's,
One of them you had to say.
If you
oh, it's
land
the
on
ABCs.
ABCs, you
Okay.
have to say something that starts with. So you say the letter starts with.
Okay, Chelsea.
Good job, Daddy. P for popcorn.
2.
2.
Oh.
1, 2.
Gotta
You
sing
gotta
a song.
I don't know what song to do.
You gotta sing a song for
Any
Cupcake.
song.
Rain, go away.
Huh?
Rain, go away.
What did she say?
Rain, rain, go away.
Rain, rain, go away. That's good. Here you go. You want blue or like chocolate?
Chocolate.
Okay. We only have 1 cupcake left and we win. Can Mommy do it? We'll find out. 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
4.
Mommy.
Present.
No. 1,
What?
2. Oh, yeah. Okay. I thought you got the frog.
All right. Woof, woof, woof.
What is mine?
What am I?
Dog.
A dog. I won.
Well,
We won.
we all
We
won.
won. Cupcake. So we gotta sing happy birthday to Pete now.
no.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Sing.
Yeah.
To you. Happy birthday, dear Pete.
Happy birthday to you. No, I thought if you got a grumpy toad, I thought there's more than one grumpy toad.
Let's do
that
it
meant
again,
you
again,
lost them.
again.
No, if you get a grumpy toad, you
There
have
is
to put a
only one.
cupcake back
Yeah.
onto
I
the
want to
grumpy
do it
toad.
again. I want to do it again.
I think Chelsea liked this game.
It's a good game for kids because then you can act out the stuff. It makes you think. You know, if you get your ABCs, you got to do something. Music, you got to sing a song.
Yeah, that's pretty fun, isn't it? Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna continue on playing this. Thank you guys for watching.
Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.